So welcome to the No Thrills channel. I'm here with my buddy Rob, and we are trying to put the 72 Charger together. Right now we kind of staged the trunk, this rear deck, balance, and the back glass. The thing we're going to show you here today on this video is for the 1972 Dodge Charger. They don't make this back balance for this car. This one's for some other year, close to it, either a 71, a 70, I don't quite remember. But when I called the manufacturer, I think there's only one manufacturer that makes this. It's called AMD, Auto Metal Direct. They said this would fit with modifications, so we're going to show you those modifications. As I said, these are staged. We're going to pull off this balance, and then I'll walk through what we cut out. Get that glass.
Yeah. I get it.
Okay. So these are what we cut out here. These were tab, and we'll post a picture of where these were. But this sat up here. I think this sat up here. And then we also had this piece up here. But anyway, we notched out this location and this location on both sides. This was here. You can see how much I kind of took out here. This came up to the top of here. This was a little higher here, probably about there, which prevents the panel from coming down. So I cut as close as I could to just barely take that tab off. The same here, and then cut across, but would grind down little by little until the pan fit flush. And so now as before, it was just propped up like that. Okay. see these two sides looking a lot better. And so I'll put these little metal pieces back under here and tack weld them so that they reestablish the initial design. And then I'll have a place to tack weld from there to here and here. And then kind of fit these panels. You've got to work these panels a little bit, even if there wasn't any modifications. You've got to kind of do what you can to fit them in there. And the rest of it was kind of massaging everything else. I don't think we cut anything else out there.
No, it was just this piece, and then this was just a little pounding with the hammer.
And then so we did as best we can on the tolerances with the space around the windows. So we put that up there, then we put the trunk up, and it looked all kind of how you saw it before. But when they say there's a little bit of modification, there's certainly some modification. We'll probably post a picture of what we do in order to kind of probably add some extra metal tabs here, just kind of weld those in place so we can tack weld the bottom here. But we'll weld to here, here, to here, and then these pieces across. And try to get some welds here. There's a little bit of gap, so we may not be able to get those to mate, but we'll certainly try. Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe.